Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As I promised in the last video, today I am going to show you a simple landscape using 3 techniques which I showed in the last lesson. Here you can observe where I use 3 different wash, one flat wash on dry surface, second flat wash on wet surface, third wet in wet technique. Let's get started. Before you start paint with watercolor, start from lighter tone means which is the light area. Then you move on to the medium tone and finally with darker. Using this method, your watercolor stays clean and you can create clean and fresh watercolor painting. Hope you enjoyed this landscape. If you like, then share and subscribe. I will meet you with new topic on next video. Thank you.